Hello, beautiful souls, with Tramador here from Soul Healing Tribe, and I want to talk to you today about age regression. Some people know about past life regression. It's very popular. Everybody wants to go into past lives, but one of the hidden treasures is actually really going back, whether it is 2 weeks when something specific happened, to better understand why and how you reacted in that moment, what was really happening with you internally in that moment, or going back to 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years ago, depending on your age, or even inside your mother's belly to do womb regression, to understand how specific experiences from this life has molded you the way that it has, so that you behave and believe the things that you believe. So age regression is really good when we really want to shift our mindset, when we really want to change the way we see through our eyes, our lenses, so that we can experience a new version of who we are by releasing the wounds that have affected us for a long time. So age regression obviously is about inner child work, but also even teenager years, childhood, teenager, infancy, college years, first marriage, right? The first work that you took on, that maybe you had a lot of responsibility and you didn't know what was going on and how to respond. I actually see a lot of clients that still struggle with letting go of who they were when they had a high power position, and now they're walking the path of the healer, or they want to be more in alignment with their true self, their true essence, and it's not in alignment with that version. So the dreams and nightmares haunt them because they need to work on releasing that version of who they were, on understanding that time has passed, but still there is a part that is in that experience, repeating that behavior of perhaps being extremely controlling because your position require you to be controlling, or having to fire people that you didn't feel was the right thing to do, or doing things with gossiping or whatever it was. So age regression, this life regression, has so many treasures, and we just really have to explore and be curious. And when we start doing that work, it is so beautiful. Besides rescuing and doing the soul retrieval for the inner child, we can also find the baby, the toddler, the one that was 20 years old, that was confused, that, or maybe you need to go back to the one that was 20 years old because there is something missing now that you feel that you don't have because life happens, and maybe you don't have the confidence or the sense of adventure that you once had. So we may have to go into age regression to explore not only why this is happening, but also to explore the parts of you that have shown up in a way that can guide you towards that sense of adventure and confidence that you need for whatever purpose. So through age regression, we have so many gifts that we can tap into. So it's not just about past life. We also need to do the work for this life so that we can be fully integrated. This is all about integration, healing, releasing, shifting, and really exploring who we are at a deep core level. So I hope this helps to expand your awareness of, wow, I didn't even consider that before. If you want to do mindset shifting the proper way, where you're going deeper into the experience besides just the coaching, which a lot of people do coaching from here, but not from here. When we do age regression, we're really shifting your mind in a way that creates permanent changes. So if you really want to shift who you are, age regression may be the or one of the most amazing way for you to go. I hope you enjoy this. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.